Hello, friends. So today we are going to talk about RefWorks. It is one of the online referencing software which is very easy to use, and there are many actually like EndNote or Mendeley. But I'm going to talk about RefWorks because this is something which I use it frequently and I found it very useful. So I would like to share that with you. So even though you're using these online referencing, softwares, make sure that even if you've used this, you check it eventually. Once you've done the in-text referencing and the bibliography, make sure that you double check it yourself about whether the referencing styles have been used appropriately or not. So it's always important to double check. Now, how does this work and how I've been using it? So basically, once you've logged in, this is the home page you get. It's kind of a dashboard, and you've got all these options there. So how to use it? So firstly, always ensure that there is on your favorite toolbar there is an option of Save to RefWorks. Now, how you can create this? So you click on Tools. Again, click on Tools. And then you will find this save references on the web. So when you click on install, so you can drag this and it can go to your favorite toolbar, and then you can use it instantly. Now, how you can use this? So for example, I'll just share one of my research. So you click on this. Once you click on this, now you want to cite this article. You want to use it for your work. You've already saved the Save to RefWorks link on your favorite toolbar. You just click on this. And then automatically it populates all the information on this. So you can see everything is in here. You click on Save to RefWorks. So say, for example, you're working on a particular research and you have created a separate folder on RefWorks, so you can put it over there. If not, just click on Import, close sidebar, go back to the tools, click on RefWorks, and then you will see this. So the article which I saved through Save to RefWorks, it automatically comes on your RefWorks dashboard. If you had created a folder, you can select in the Save to RefWorks option on which folder you want to save this, and it will automatically save on that folder. Now, how do you create folder? So if you look at the options on the left, there is an option of My Folder. Click on it. And then these are all the folders, so you can name these folders according to your research. And then if you want to create your own, so say you create add folder, put any name there. So say I'm putting my name here. You save it, right? So this has come here. You can refresh it. You can go back to your RefWorks main page. So now what you can do is, you know that you want to put this in your research folder. So as you can see, I have created one folder there. You just drag this and move it here, and it automatically comes onto that folder. Now, it is always important that you keep this record whilst you're writing the manuscript. And there is a reason behind it. So for example, you are writing a manuscript and you're planning to submit in a particular journal where the requirement is that you have to submit your references in Vancouver referencing style. Now, in Vancouver referencing style, as you know, that the in-text reference is in numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So your bibliography should be in that order. So like when you've put number 1 in the in-text, and then that reference should come, it should be your first reference in Vancouver. So say, for example, you've used this as your first reference. So you're putting 1 in your in-text. So make sure that this comes here. Okay. And this is the first which is there. And then, so say, for example, I'm putting this here in Vancouver, for example. Okay. This is just an example. It's Vancouver doesn't mean that I'm using the Vancouver referencing style here. I've just randomly created this folder. If you click on this, now say for example, this is an order here. I've started with, so I've included one reference in my article, and then I've put it back on my folder. Similarly, you put it in order. So number 1 is this, then number 2 is this, number 3 is this, and number 4 is this. Okay. Now, if I want to create a bibliography of Vancouver referencing style in this order, so what you do is you click on this 1, 2, 3, 4, create bibliography. Click on create, it comes Vancouver, and as you can see, the order comes accordingly, right? So this becomes very easy for you, so that if you've put articles in order, it comes on your folder, and then you click on the referencing style you want under create bibliography, and this is what you get. You copy this, and then you can paste it on your Word document. Then that's how easy this is. Now, this is Vancouver. RefWorks also helps in in-text referencing. So in referencing styles where the in-text reference is not in numbers, it's text. So say, for example, you're using APA or Harvard style of referencing, for example, there, the in-text referencing includes the surname of the author, and then, if it is more than 3, then it's the surname of the first author, and then et al, and then the year that was published. If it is less than 3 authors, then it is the surname of the first, second, and third author, and then the year this work was published. And then that is the in-text referencing. So how would you create that on RefWorks? So say, for example, let me pick something from here. So say I want to do the in-text reference of this, for example. So I click on this, create bibliography, click on quick cite, and then I choose which referencing style. Now see, as you can see, before I use Vancouver, and clearly it comes here, this is a numbered style. So you know that, in Vancouver, it's the in-text. But here, we are using another referencing style. So you click on this, click on search, type Harvard, for example. So you click on Harvard, click on continue, and say, for example, you want to pick this. So it automatically comes here that, this is your in-text reference. So, and then you copy this, and then you can paste it on your Word document. That's how easy it is. Now, for example, you want to create an in-text, bibliography. So, for example, if you let's see, I've got these articles on my unsaved folder, so it will be visible on the dashboard. So you've clicked on these. Now click create bibliography, click on this, and then say now you want to change the referencing style to American Psychological Association. Sorry. So say I'm clicking on this randomly. And as you can see, it will automatically create that bibliography for you. So as you can see, when it comes to the American Psychological Association or the Harvard style of referencing, it is in alphabetical order. It doesn't matter what was your order in your manuscript. At the end, the references are in alphabetical order. So E and then J and all that. So again, you've got this. You click copied, it's copied now, and then you can paste it on your Word document. So it's very simple, very easy to use. So you can easily do an in text. You can create your own folder. So say, for example, if I'm clicking on this is the work I did previously, and I've got this all sorted here, right? And now if I want to create a referencing style, a bibliography, I just click on create, and then create bibliography, and then say whichever referencing style I want to use. It automatically populates this for you. You just need to copy this and then paste it on your manuscript. This is how easy it is. This was just a brief overview on the RefWorks. I think the more you play around with this, the more insight you will get on in what different ways you can use this. I hope this was useful. Thanks very much for your time, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.